Hi, today we from Group 1 will discuss about fundamental of welding. Welding. Welding is a fabrication or structural process that joins material, usually metal or thermoplastic, by using fusion, which is distinct from lower temperature metal joining technique such as brazing and soldering, which do not melt the base metal. Welding have two type of process. First is fusion welding. Second is solid state welding.
Okay, hi guys. Today I would like to explain about the type of joint. There is 5 common joint. The first are butt joint, corner joint, lap joint, T-joint, and edge joint. Okay. This is the butt joint, which is in this joint type. The part lies in the same way, joint at their edge. This one. So second one is a corner joint, which is the part in a corner joint from the right angle and are joined on the corner of angle. The third one is a lap joint. This consists of 2 overlapping parts, which is and the 4 is T-joint. You know it's T-joint. It's one part perpendicular to the other in the approximate shape of letter T. And the last is edge joint. The part in the edge joint are paired with at least one of their edge in common, and the joint is made the common edge. Okay. Last minute.
In the welding process, there are 2 types of the electrode, which is one is consumable electrode and second one is the non-consumable electrode. Okay, let me show you the example of the consumable electrode. Okay, this is the example of the consumable electrode. As you can see here, they have 3 different size of the consumable electrode. Consumable electrode have a significant change, structure. It changes when we use it. For example, the process is arc welding process. And second one is the non-consumable electrode. Non-consumable electrode not consumed when we use it. For example, gas tungsten arc welding, resistant welding, and plasma arc welding. This is example for gas tungsten arc welding. As we can see here, they use gas in this process. So the application that apply in by using the non-consumable electrodes, such as in a spot weld, resistant beam weld, and also resistant projection weld.
Alright, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Azzrul. Today I would like to talk about types of weld. There are 8 types of weld. The first one is fillet weld, groove weld, plug weld, slot weld, spot weld, seam weld, surfacing weld, and flange weld. Alright, the groove weld, as we know, it is a weld made in the groove to combine 2 parts. Plug weld and slot weld is used to join 2 plates. The upper plates can have 1 or more spot or hole so that the filler can fill in. Next is spot weld and seam weld. They are used for lap joints. Next is flange weld. Flange weld is a weld made on the edges between 1 parts or more. The 1 part is flange. Next is surfacing weld. It didn't combine between 2 parts, but it increased the surface thickness. Next, we move to welding process. There are 3 types of welding process: arc welding, arc shielding, submerged arc welding. Alright, now I would like to emphasize about the arc welding. Arc welding is a weld that uses an electric arc to combine 2 metals. The advantage of arc welding is less heat spread, so it reduces buckling and warping. Other than that, it increases depth of penetration and increase speed of welding process, thus making arc welding practical and economical.
Hi, I'm Heng. I will present about the others fusion welding process. They have consist three types of welding process. First, electro welding process is one of the ultimate fusion welding process. Secondly, the laser welding process that is one of the short forms for the light application by simulate emission of radiation. Tertiary, the thermic welding process that is one of the chemical welding process in which an exothermic chemical reaction is used to supply essential heat energy.
Hey, how's it going, guys? Have you ever heard of solid state welding processes? It is a group of welding processes which creating coalition at temperature essentially below the melting point of the materials being joined. So, this group of welding processes consists of 6, which is fork welding, cold welding, friction welding, explosive welding, diffusion, and ultrasonic welding. However, if you during the welding processes, if you being careless during the welding, some defects may be occur during the welding processes, which gives the irregularity forms of the shape in terms of the shape, in terms of the size, or the desirable shape of the welding on the weld metal that we carry out. So that's it about the overall of welding processes that we're talking about, that we sharing, we talk about the welding processes. That's all. Thank you.